See here, this is my website. I can promote this kind of scenario, digital marketing, careers and job opportunities. Just copy this URL, send by your Facebook page, copy this one, along with the proper image and a proper title. Select it. Scroll up. What is that? Add your image, your desktop. Select image along with desktop. So Facebook promotion depended by the two. One is called Asta, second will be called @. So by @ of digital Rakesh. Will be called Asta will be called digital marketing course jobs course. Now copy this URL. After adding this, just remove your website URL. Already content will be there. Now what is the very important? Check in. They're writing by company name. So please copy your this one. Okay. Now click for publish. There are three options: backdate, publish, and schedule. Now will be publish, schedule, and backdate. For temporary story, nothing but save draft. I'm clicking for publish now. So where we can publish our Facebook page. Now is updating here. Just wait for a second. Now scrolling here. Now just scroll down. What the previous search will be there? Post is how much? 3. Now scroll down. I can promote my business. Where? Website we can share by the Facebook page. Page 2 we can share with the Facebook groups and Facebook page to another Facebook page. Now, what are the ways? One is called profile, second will be called page. You can share your content along with the profile and the page. But I'm sharing my content will be page to groups. Why? I'm increasing my page likes, not for the my followers and my ad friends. I'm looking for page likes and followers. Okay, sent by the page. Now click for share and share. Where we can share? Group. Now click group. Now click for digital. Search your name here, digital marketing. Yeah. Post it. Click for post. Now just look. Go to that group. We'll check there's an update or not. The group. What is that? They go to pending for approval. Who will approve your this post? Admin. Now just click here. Share. Share. Group. Digital. Is it clear? Script. Click for post. Now check. When you're sharing your page to group, you check your all groups. They are accept or not. Done. The purpose of increase my page like. If anyone new user, click for the my page like. Now just here. Click for share or share. So here I'm sharing this content always. Share here. The option will be called page to page, page to group. Per day we can submit by the one page to one. How many groups? Only for 10 groups. You have to wait for Another 48 hours you can submit by the page to groups. Only for 10 relevant groups. More than 10,000 members are required. That group more than 10,000 members. That is called increase your website traffic by using organic. That is called website to page. Page to groups will be 2. Profile to group sharing. Page to group sharing. Always preferred by the page to group sharing. Purpose of increase the page likes. Final one show here. Select it. Share. Share by group. The option call is digital group. Click. Option call is post. This is where you can promoting by your website page to groups. So out of 10,000, they can watch by 1,000. And we will be click. So your top will be this based on the group sharing. Page to group. First website to page, page to group sharing.